Hello dear friends, this is BR Paper YouTube channel.
Today's cue card topic is: describe a product made in the region you come from or a popular product from your hometown. What is it? How it looks like? What is it used for? How is it made? Explain why your hometown makes it. Explain why is it popular. Well, there are several large-scale as well as small-scale factories in my hometown Ludhiana. Range of products are manufactured here, but I will talk about a product which my city is most popularly known for. The most famous local product made in Ludhiana is Vardhman Knitting Yarn. Ludhiana is known for its hosiery goods such as sweaters and shawls, and Vardhman is the leading producer of these products in the city. But its most sold product is its knitting yarns. Some of the important products of Vardhman Group are simple and blended yarns, acrylic fibre, range of threads, apparel sewing, tea bags, industrial threads, shirting and trouser materials, forging and automotive components, and steel. Its yarns come in a dazzling array of shades. Women who are fond of knitting in my city as well as in other parts of the country trust and prefer Vardhman yarns. Vardhman Spinning and General Mills Limited (VSGML) was incorporated in Ludhiana, Punjab in 1962 by Shri V.S. Oswal and Shri Ratan Oswal. VSGML started production with a capacity of 6,000 spindles to manufacture cotton yarn in 1965. Its products are also exported to other parts of the world such as the USA, South Korea, Japan and Germany because of its reliable quality. Its knitting yarns are also sold online on shopping websites like Amazon and ShopClues. Many people in this city still prefer to wear hand-knit sweaters and other woolen wear, mothers knit sweaters, scarves and cardigans for their young ones with great love, so mostly they rely on this product for making handmade woolen apparels. The price of the knitting yarn depends on the quality of the fibre and mostly ranges between Rs 250 to 650. It's easily available all over the city on stores as well as can be bought online. There are certain markets in the city where they can be bought on subsidized prices such as AC Market, Akal Market and Wool Market. My mother also used to knit in her free time using this yarn when I was a child, especially during winters. My hometown is a hub of hosiery goods and Vardhman also has its base here. So this is the local product which I believe is quite popular in my hometown.
If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Don't forget to press the like button and press the bell icon so you can get the latest notifications regarding our new videos on YouTube. Thank you for being here.